Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Ethereum wallet address. So if you want to create an Ethereum wallet address in order to receive ETH or other ERC20 tokens, you can do it easily with the help of MetaMask. So in this video, I will show you how you can set up your wallet and you can start receiving your crypto securely. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store and you need to simply use the search bar in the top in order to search for MetaMask. Now once you search for it, you need to simply tap on the install button in order to install the MetaMask application in your device. Then tap on the open button in order to launch it. Now once you tap on the open button, the interface will look something like this, where you need to simply tap on the get started option on the home page, and then it will ask you to create your account. So you need to simply tap on create account, and then it will redirect you on the next page where you will have to simply save and copy your secret recovery phrase, and you need to write it down and store it securely. This phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. After that, you need to confirm your phrase, and this way you will be able to set up your Ethereum wallet very easily. Now once you have successfully done that, your MetaMask interface will look something like this. So you need to simply open MetaMask and then you need to select Ethereum main network. Now in order to check it, you just have to simply tap on the top right hand corner of the screen, and this is basically your Ethereum main network. You will also be able to see it over here like this. You will see Ethereum over here, so you need to simply tap on Ethereum, and once you tap on Ethereum, you need to tap on the receive option. Now after tapping on receive, you will see the QR code as well as the deposit address of Ethereum. So you need to copy this address and you can use it to receive ETH or ERC20 based tokens in your MetaMask account. To send the Ethereum, you need to tap on the send option, and then you need to just paste the address here, or this would be the destination address, and you need to tap on the next option. On the next page, you need to enter the amount that you want to send, and you need to confirm your transaction, and this way you will be able to basically send or receive Ethereum and other tokens with the help of this Ethereum based wallet. So if this video helped you out, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.